Al wants to know, what is the shelf life of a patch cord? What is the shelf life of a patch cord? Well, if it's just sitting on the shelf, it'll last forever and a day, right? What causes a patch cord to not work anymore? There's two limiting factors: performance ratings and what's called MTBF. Performance ratings and MTBF. So performance rating means, if you, for example, if you buy like a category 3 patch cord, well, it's already obsolete, so its shelf life is zero, right? If you buy a category 6A patch cord, well, it's backwards compatible. It will work with Cat 6. It will work with Cat 5e. Heck, it'll even work with Cat 3. But that's going to be a very expensive way to do that. The lifespan of an average structured cable system seems to be about 7 to 12 years, roughly. So when you design the structured cable plant, you want to design it with that in mind and buy the right patch cords that match the performance of the cable. Because if you buy a Cat 5e and then 6 months down the road, a year or 2 years on the road, you're putting in equipment that needs Cat 6a, well, your patch cords, their shelf life is done. So the next factor in what determines the shelf life of a patch cord, right, is going to be what's called MTBF, mean time between failure rate. Mean time between failure rate. What is that? The mean time between failure rate is the life cycle of a jack or maybe even a mod plug, and it's measured by the number of insertions and withdrawals that jack or that mod plug can handle without it actually breaking. Now, most jacks or mod plugs for telecommunications are generally going to be rated either PL1 or PL2. PL1 is rated for